Kahit tag-ulan na, nagsa-sunscreen pa rin ako. Sana kayo rin. Alam naman natin guys, kapag tag-ulan, so very dry ang ating face, mas malamig ang panahon, so mas may tendency nagdadry ang ating face. By the way, this is Sunflower Sunscreen from SCT Unlimited. So it has SPF 50+, PA++++. It protects, brightens, hydrates our skin. And this product is already 50 ml. And as you can see, gagamitan ko siya ng 2-finger method to cover it all over my face, including my neck, likod ng tenga and everything. Sana makover niya. And of course, ibe-blend natin siya. And as you can see guys, sa pagbe-blend, grabe, wala siyang white cast. As in, girl, wala kayong makikitang white cast dyan. Perfect yung sunscreen sa mga normal to dry skin. This sunscreen nga pala guys is hybrid sunscreen. So both physical and chemical ingredients yung ginamit dito. Tapos meron pa siyang niacinamide that can brighten your skin. So if you have dark spots, uneven skin tones na napapabrighten niya. It has also Centella asiatica that can soothe irritated skin. As you can see guys, sobrang na-moisturize niya and na-hydrate yung skin ko. Perfect. It has also green tea extract. So, anti-inflammatory yan guys. So, kapag meron kayong mga pimples, so napipigilan niya. Meron din siyang licorice extract that can reduce redness sa ating balat. And kaya pala siya hydrating guys. So, hindi lang siya hydrating, calming and soothing kasi nga meron siyang sunflower seed oil. Grabe naman ang product na to. At ang nagustuhan ko pa dito guys, kahit marami kayo nilagay sa face, so hindi siya mapuputi, wala talaga siyang white cast, and very hydrating, so you can also use it on your body. This sunscreen nga pala guys has fragrance pero hindi naman na-irritate yung skin ko. Pero kung sensitive ang skin nyo guys, so you can patch test first sa likod ng tenga para malaman nyo kung hiyang kayo sa product or hindi. And look at this guys, after applying the sunscreen on my face, very hydrating, glowing, and healthy ng aking skin. Love it. And it retails to 150 pesos per 50 ml. Sulit na rin guys, unlike other sunscreen. You can also put it on your lips para hydrated and protected tayo sa araw. And of course, if you wanna try this product, I will put it on my yellow basket. Yun lang guys, at lagi natin tatandaan na walang shortcut sa skincare. Bye! Love you! Mwah!